Have you ever wondered how bees create that golden sweet treat we all love? Let's dive into the fascinating world of honey production. It all starts with a tireless army of tiny, brilliant chemists. This perfect sweetness is a testament to their incredible work. Behind every drop of honey is a complex and organized process. The journey of honey begins with nectar collection. Forager bees fly from flower to flower, diligently collecting sugary nectar using their long proboscis. Nectar is primarily water, with a complex sugar called sucrose. Once collected, the nectar begins its transformation. The bee stores the nectar in a special organ called the honey stomach, or crop. During the flight back to the hive, enzymes in this stomach begin to break down the complex sucrose into simpler sugars, glucose and fructose. Back at the hive, a remarkable collaborative process unfolds. The forager bee regurgitates the nectar and passes it to a younger hive bee in a mouth-to-mouth transfer. This process is repeated multiple times, further reducing the water content and adding more enzymes, crucial for honey's properties. Now, it's time to reduce the water content even further. Bees deposit the processed nectar into the cells of the honeycomb. The entire colony works together, fanning their wings to create airflow and evaporate the remaining water until the honey thickens to its final consistency, around 17% water. The final stage ensures the honey's longevity. Once the honey is perfect, the bees cap the honeycomb cell with a layer of beeswax, creating an airtight seal. This airtight seal perfectly preserves the honey, allowing it to last for thousands of years. The process of honey making is truly a marvel of nature. Witness the incredible detail of a bee's proboscis in action, a true wow factor. And observe a mesmerizing time-lapse of thousands of bees inside the hive, fanning their wings in perfect unison to cure the honey.